You look at successful people and think, they're just lucky. But here's the truth. Success isn't luck. It's built, step by step. Every person you admire didn't wake up successful. They constructed their success, brick by brick, habit by habit. Let's break it down into 7 proven steps that turn ordinary people into lucky ones. Step 1. Clarity. You can't hit a target you can't see. Most people drift through life without a clear goal and then wonder why they never arrive anywhere. Successful people define exactly what they want and why they want it. Write it down. Visualize it daily. Clarity turns dreams into direction. Step 2. Discipline. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. You won't always feel like working, but success rewards consistency, not moods. Show up even when it's boring. Each small, repeated action becomes a silent investment in your future self. Step 3. Learning. Winners are learners. They don't pretend to know everything. They study, adapt, and evolve. Read, watch. Ask questions. Every new skill is another tool for your success. The more you learn, the more luck seems to find you. Step 4. Patience. In a world addicted to speed, patience is your secret weapon. Success takes time, real time. Seeds don't sprout overnight, neither do results. Trust the process and keep moving, even when no one's clapping yet. Step 5. Resilience. Every success story has one thing in common: failure. You'll fall, you'll face rejection, and you'll want to quit. But resilience is what separates the lucky from the lost. Get up, learn, adjust, and go again. The more you bounce back, the stronger you become. Step 6. Focus. Distraction is the death of progress. Stop chasing 10 things at once. Choose one path and master it. Every yes to focus is a no to chaos. Remember, energy flows where attention goes. Step 7. Action. Dreams mean nothing without movement. Don't wait for perfect timing. It doesn't exist. Start now. Start messy. Every action creates momentum, and momentum creates results. You don't find success, you build it. Luck might open a door, but only consistent effort keeps it open. So the next time someone says, "You're lucky," smile, because you know the truth. Success isn't luck. It's built step by step. So, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel.